You know, I am a late bloomer. I took my first flight at 48 years old because me I try to pretend to be good mother and wanna leave my children. But I am happy for the experience that I garner that when I started traveling. Jamaica has the second highest illiteracy rate in the world next to Cuba, next to Haiti. I mean, I talk about them, the other countries them where girls don't allow to go to school. Me I talk in a real world. Jamaica has the second highest level of illiteracy rate. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Children leave school in Jamaica at grade 11 and cannot sign them name. Children stop going to school at Jamaica at 7 years old. Let me tell you something. Every disabled person in Canada can read and write. They write their own letter and they read their own letter. It no matter how you see them mentally and how you see them what. Every disabled persons in Canada can read and write. Them not segregate them and mix them and you go some go prep this year school and Jamaica rank them who 1A, 1B. So by the time you reach grade 6, them manipulate your brain so you're done, so you give up. Because Jamaica is a ranking culture. Jamaican teachers only teach during extra lesson. My daughter booked no mark at Southborough for 1 year. And when me go to the principal, them sideline my daughter and no look upon her again. And me teach me pick them myself till they reach college. What are you saying? Jamaica have the highest illiteracy rate. Don't you know that you don't have much experience? I supervised 2 polling stations in the last election. Not this one, the one before. And I was surprised. 90% of the people them who come vote cannot read. Then there's something they can't go on to Canada. Which part Jamaica? CDA hands are so tied they can't even do them work. Let's use St. Thomas for example. The poorest parish. 2 CDA officers was there at the time when I was there. With overload, overwork, underburden and can't even get to deal with it. Because when St. Thomas push out crime top to the neck with 2 officers. 2 CDA officers. CDA not even do nothing because they can't afford to do it. What you say? No stop talk foolishness. When COVID hit, every child in Canada get a laptop and teachers have to teach online. Jamaica no have no plan. Jamaica teachers are not held accountable. Jamaica children are dunce. What you say? You just up in the mouth and chat. You know what? All I want to give me a script make me blog. Because everything me blog about is a problem too. But you know what I'm glad for? I don't want to pay me. I don't control my phone. I don't pay me internet. And I don't know the sponsors will sponsor me page. So guess what? Use no block and delete button and block on yourself. And stop chat rubbish for my page.